Think accepting payments online requires a developer or complicated setup. Many new business owners feel overwhelmed by this. Here's a quick way to understand the challenge. Even with simple website builders like Wix or Squarespace, adding payments can feel confusing. You might see options, but connecting them properly often requires tech knowledge or developer help. That's why many beginners hesitate before launching their online store. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. With hosted checkout and 250 plus integrations, you can add payments to your site quickly without being tech savvy. Plus, they support nearly every vertical, so no matter what type of business you run, you can get approved and start accepting payments right away. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get chargeback mitigation, helping you protect your account and reduce disputes automatically. If you want to accept payments online without tech headaches, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Fill out their quick sign up form, and you will have a secure merchant account ready to go. The link's in the description to get started.